So this is just a quick one because I really don't have to cover it for long. This is the British Police FM12, as we all know. This actually still has the info written on the side here. I forget what all of it was referring to, but the British Police were meant to write information on the side. If I recall correctly, this was the birthday of the person it was issued to, that being the 9th of October 1960, given this mask is from 2003. I don't know the exact date on which the British Police adopted it, but it makes them old, but not unreasonably old. Now you may notice that the PSM is red, also it's size 1. That's because this is the rank. Excuse me. The rank PSM, which is for Serial Inspector. I do not know what Serial Inspector does. It feels like Google does not want to fucking tell me. But regardless, it is a police FM12 Serial Inspector. You may actually notice that the number is exactly the same as the one I've shown before from my personal collection. That's because this is actually just still mine, which is why you also may notice the head harness is off, because I put my own harness on it, because I don't like the FM12 one. I like this because I can wrap it around. So I've customed it with my own harness, and now I've put this on. I got the old one, it's just upstairs. These showed up on UK eBay recently for very cheap actually. They had Bronze Commander, they had Sergeant, and they had Serial Inspector. I chose Serial Inspector, despite the fact it makes the mask look like a fucking bionicle. It's a bit of a joke because I do urban exploring with Tommy and such. So I inspect buildings in a sense, so we figured it was funny, a bit of thematic irony. It was not irony. Also, it's got the Dutch filter thread fucking cap, what's it called, blanking plug on, because I was scared of losing the original. I brought out a canteen and a sealed British FM12 filter because I was going to show it off as part of a pre-made kit, but I could not find the black bag. They have their own version of the British Police had their own version of the S10 bag, but it was in black, and I think it didn't have the side pocket, or only had one, something like that. But I couldn't find the fucking thing, so this will have to do. But yeah, I don't have to talk about this for long, because that's all it is really. It's just a Serial Inspector PSM. If I remember correctly, there were like 8 or 9 different PSMs that were used by different militaries, different colours, but British Police, if I remember correctly, only used 3, which was the goldy yellowy colour, which was Bronze Commander, the white one, which was Sergeant, and this red one, which is Serial Inspector, and of course black, just run of the mill. So technically 4. Yeah, you got your default as well. So yeah, not a lot to talk about this. I don't really have to go over any of the way the mask works, because I already have.